Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Windows 10 PC has been running slow or acting strange due to a severe malware infection, you've come to the right place. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through a foolproof method to completely sanitize your system from any malicious threats. And the best part is, it won't cost you a single dime. It doesn't matter what kind of malicious software you're dealing with, whether it's an annoying browser hijacker, a hidden trojan, a stealthy rootkit, spyware, or deep-seated adware. The step-by-step strategy we're using today will wipe them out completely. Let's dive straight into the process. To start things off, let's look at the built-in security features that Microsoft already provided inside Windows 10, specifically Windows Security. While it might not be the absolute final fix for stubborn infections, running a deep scan here is always an excellent first line of defense. Here is how you can access it. Head over to your taskbar tray, click the hidden icons arrow, and locate the shield icon for Windows Defender. Open it up to load the full application. From the dashboard, navigate straight to Virus and Threat Protection, then click on the Advanced Scan options. Select Full Scan to allow the operating system to scour your drives for any obvious threats. However, if your system is heavily locked down by a smart virus, we need to bring out our specialized toolkit. Go ahead and check the video description box below. I've placed the official, safe download links for 3 specific utilities we need to clean your machine. Rest assured, these tools are completely legitimate, free from bundled junk, and trusted across the entire cybersecurity community. Go ahead and grab the files for RKill, Malwarebytes, and adware. Malwarebytes is a world-renowned anti-malware solution, and while you can get it directly from their primary domain, the link below ensures you're pulling the latest build instantly. Once you have all 3 downloaded to your local drive, we can move to the next phase. Before we deploy any traditional scanner, we have to clear a major hurdle: active malware blocking our security apps. This is where RKill comes into play. It's a completely portable tool, meaning you can execute it right away without dealing with a regular installation wizard. Launch RKill, and it will immediately work in the background to force terminate running malware processes. This essentially disarms the virus so our main security programs can install and function correctly. Once it finishes, read the notepad summary to see what it closed down. Just one critical reminder, guys. Do not restart your computer after this step. Otherwise, those bad background processes will just turn themselves back on. With the malware temporarily neutralized by RKill, we must immediately pivot to a deep system scrub. Let's open up Malwarebytes. Once the dashboard loads, hit the Start button. The software will now scan your entire registry, memory, and core system files to locate and safely quarantine every trace of corruption. If the program prompts you to restart your computer to finalize the cleanup process once it finishes, go ahead and let it reboot. At this point, your PC should be largely clear of major infections. However, to guarantee absolute safety against browser pop-ups and hidden tracking scripts, I highly recommend running adware as a final security layer. It's specifically fine-tuned to capture things standard antiviruses miss. Fire up adware, agree to the standard terms, and you'll find a clean, straightforward user interface. Since it's another portable application, just click the Scan Now button. It will quickly audit your web browsers and system files for unwanted extensions or adware variants. If it uncovers anything, let it clear them out and perform any requested system restarts. As you can see, our system is now running beautifully, completely unburdened by malicious background applications. You can choose to keep Malwarebytes running on your machine for on-demand protection, or look into their premium plans if you want real-time shields. Ultimately, you can reuse this exact sequence completely for free whenever your machine acts up. That wraps up our guide for today. If this tutorial helped you rescue your computer, please hit that like button and share this video with anyone dealing with a slow PC. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more practical tech walkthroughs. See you guys in the next one.